Hey there, I'm Catalino Jr. Gamboa, but you can call me your next creative partner. I'm a 35 years old graphic designer from the Philippines with a passion in visual storytelling. From logo creation to tarpaulin layouts, mugs, shirts, posters, and personalized souvenirs. If you can imagine it, I can design. My skills speaks through color, shape, and composition. But today, I'm the one speaking because every great design is a designer that speaks up and shows up. My goal? To bring your vision to life, to help businesses stand out, events come alive, and ideas turn into unforgettable visuals. What makes my work valuable? It's not just skill, it's care. Every project is crafted with precision, purpose, and personality because your brand deserves to shine. So if you're looking for a designer who listens, creates, and delivers, let's bring your brand to motion. My tagline, designs that speak, stories that stick. I don't just create graphics, I create impact. Visit my portfolio today and send me a message. This is Catalino Jr. Gamboa, showing up, speaking up, and designing with purpose.